Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you how you can add the page on your Odoo website. So guys, what you have to do, go to this option on sites, and from here go to page, as you can see here. And after that I have this 3 page, guys. As you can see here, I have thanks page and contact us. And what you have to do, guys, just click this option new page, and after that you can add a blank page here, and you can add the about page here, and you can have this template for about, and you have pricing plans page here. You can add a pricing plans page, and you have gallery, and you have service. As you can see, just click this option add, and write your page title, for example test one. And after that, what you have to do, just click create one, as you can see here. I hope, guys, this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon, guys. Keep watching.